Hello. Welcome to this Canon support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to connect your printer to your home router or access point using the Canon Print application on your Android device. Open the Canon Print app. Tap the add/switch icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus register printer bar. Tap if printer cannot be found. Tap no. Tap auto connection, recommended. Tap yes. Look for the Wi-Fi connect symbol on your printer. You can see the Wi-Fi connect symbol here on the printer. Press and hold the wireless connect button until it turns green. The display will advise you to follow the instructions on your computer or smartphone. Return to the Canon Print app on your Android device. Tick the box, then tap Next. Ensure that the printer found is the G3070 series, then tap OK. Tap Next. Tap Connect. This will connect your phone to the printer's temporary hotspot. Tap Yes to confirm, or select your Wi-Fi router or access point. You may be asked to type in your Wi-Fi password. The application will send the Wi-Fi connection information to the printer. You may see a list showing your printer. Select it by tapping on the name. The printer display will change once connected. Tap the OK button. Once connected, you can close this window. Your printer will be shown at the top of the application. You can now select an image to print. This concludes the support video on how to add a printer to your Android Print application.